Hello everyone, good morning. आज का सुबह का सच. Today I'm going to discuss about my favorite topic and the must-have skills of a salesperson post COVID-19, which is in the coming era. I have divided these skills into three categories, which is learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. Now, in terms of learning skills, the learning skills has four important C's, which is critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Now let's go in depth of critical thinking. Now, as a salesperson, if you're not critical about the stuff you're doing, you'll never be able to successful. The ability to have a critical thinking on your own or the things which are going around you as a salesperson is a must-have skills for one person to have a successful end result. The second one is being creativity. Creativity doesn't mean making diagrams or making some designs. Creativity is in your thinking, the out of box thinking. As a salesperson, if you don't have an out of box thinking, you will not get the edge over your competitor or your client. If you don't provide the out of box ideas, now the clients are very smart, they do their research. If as a salesperson you don't have an edge over them, they will not trust you. Creativity is a must skill to get an edge over others, and you should be hands on to that. Second one is collaboration. Now collaboration means your colleagues or your suppliers, anybody whom you collaborate and you can do something together. This is an era of collaboration, and unless until you collaborate and work together, you will never be able to get the end result. So pick your people whom you want to collaborate as a salesperson and go together to the clients, and so that you can probably win over them rather than going differently. And don't have that I would not say jealousy, but don't have that fear that if you collaborate with them, then you'll lose your own credential or your own credibility. It doesn't happen that way. This is an era of the collaboration, so go for it and learn to be a person who will collaborate. The fourth and the last one is being communication. No matter how much a good salesperson you are, if you don't know how to communicate your idea through your mails or through your communication through your face-to-face or telephone, you're not a good salesperson. The first basis of this is to have a good communication and convey your message. Communication doesn't mean that too much of talking or confidently talking only. The communication means execute your idea through your communication so that the other person, I have seen many people talking for 20-30 minutes. At the end of the day, we don't know what he or she is talking about. You cannot be that way. You have to communicate properly, which is executing your ideas through your communication. Okay, the second skill which a salesperson should have is the literacy skills, which I call it as IMT, which is information literacy, media literacy, and technology literacy. Now, what do you mean by information literacy? Information literacy means having the facts, figures, and data, and whatever you do, learn to have a good command over Excel. Learn Excel with the pivot table so that you can keep the analysis. Or there are a lot of systems available which will make these analysis or data points accurately. So a salesperson should have the facts, figures, and data in his or her fingertips. If you don't have data of your clients whom you are handling or whom are going to pitch or going to handle, you will be never able to be successful. The skills which is very important is the information skills. Then comes the media skills. You should know at least the information which is there, how it is published. There are a lot of websites, there are a lot of blogs, there are a lot of Instagram pages also which has this information which is published. That is most important for you to follow, read at least for an hour in a day. Read these blogs, get the data in your mind through these information centers. It will be helpful for you. Third is that technology technology which I said, that there are a lot of apps which are available which makes these information possible through technology. Even if you don't use it, at least be aware of these technologies so that you will have an edge over other people, maybe to at least do some R&D on these technologies. So the third and important skill is life skills, which is my favorite, and I call it as FLIPS. FLIPS means the flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity and social. Unless until you have these 5 components with you, you will be never able to grow as a person. Results are different and growing as a salesperson is very different. Let's come to flexibility. As a salesperson, you should always have the plan B. अगर आपके पास एक plan भी किसी भी काम के लिए नहीं है, you will not have the clear clarity in your mind to go with even if that plan failed or if it is not going in the direction which you want, you will be never able to have the clarity of mind in your projects. So have a flexibility in your mind. The second comes the leadership. Now I always give this as an example that it's not easy, but it's okay to be Sachin Tendulkar who's performing as a good batsman. But if you become a Ganguly or Dhoni and if you're able to produce 10 or 20 Sachin Tendulkars in your era, then it will have more impact you as a person. So while you are going to be a salesperson or good salesperson, learn to have the leadership wherein you can teach others also, and you can create an impact through your teaching of whatever you have learned. The third one being the productivity. Now unless you are not productive, no use to anyone if you're not being productive. So if you are being productive, the main reason of salesperson or the main aim of the salesperson is to achieve the targets. If he or she don't achieve the targets or be productive, then there is no way that a salesperson can grow the ladder in their life. The third one is initiative. Now as a salesperson, if you have any idea, if you have any plan, don't wait for somebody to tell you. Initiate things on your own and present to your immediate reporting bosses. That will help them to at least see you that you're taking initiative and you're not someone who needs to be pushed, and it will give you the extra mileage as a salesperson and as a leader also sometimes, that if you're taking initiatives, if not then it will help you in the next course of days for sure. Now the fifth and the last important thing is being social. As a salesperson, the main thing is to have the network of people. If you don't have a good network, if you don't have socially connected with people, you will be never able to take that 10x jump which you need. You never know which contact or which connection of yours will give the result. So always socially stay connected and socially be relevant, and people should know what you're doing, and your social skills should prove your work. And it's something which you can publish through your social network and social professional network like LinkedIn and all. If you can share something and if you want people to know what you're doing, even if it is professionally or personally, anything which you do, if you socially published it and if your social network knows about it, then you'll have an edge over this. All these skills will make you a person you want to be in at least post-COVID, because you should have or you must have an edge over others by learning the skills, and this will take you to the next level, trust me. Have a nice day, and if you like the video, press the bell icon button and like, share, comment in the Facebook and Instagram pages. I'll be doing more videos of you. I'll be doing more videos, and keep commenting the topic and share your inputs as well. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.